OnePlus has launched its new smartphone under N series in India called Oneplus N6x. Now, let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus N6x features a tall 6.8-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 900 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6360 Apex chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM that can be virtually expanded up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In the camera department, the OnePlus N6x sports a 13-megapixel primary rear camera with f2.2 aperture, and for selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Oxygen OS 16 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system for better thermal management during heavy usage. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.38 by 78.13 by 8.65 millimeters, and it weighs around 214 grams. Now coming to the pricing details. The OnePlus N6x has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 18,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 20,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 4th in burgundy red and ice blue color options. So what do you guys think of this OnePlus N6x smartphone? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video.